Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain animated movie Moana. The movie begins with a myth told by Moana's grandmother. Long ago, the goddess Tefiti created all life in the Pacific Islands with her magical heart, a small green stone. But one day, the shape-shifting demigod Maui stole this heart, hoping to give its power of creation to humans. When he tried to escape, a fiery lava monster named Tekka attacked him. Maui lost both his magical fish hook and the heart of Taffety, which sank into the ocean. Without the heart, the island began to weaken and the darkness spread across the seas. We then meet Moana, the daughter of Chief Tui, on the island of Motunui. From a young age, she feels drawn to the ocean. The sea even chooses her, gently giving her the heart of Taffety. But her father insists to stay on the island, telling her their people are safe as long as they never sail beyond the reef. Moana struggles because she loves her family but also feels a deep calling towards the sea. Moana's grandmother, Grandma Tella, is the only one who understands her spirit. Tella shows Moana a hidden cave filled with old boats and explains that their people were once voyagers, great sailors, who explored and discovered island. They stopped voyaging after Maui stole the heart and darkness began spreading. Tella encourages Moana to follow her destiny, restore the heart, and save the world. When crops begin failing and the fish disappear, Moana realizes the curse is reaching Motunui. Before she dies, Grandma Tella gives Moana the heart of Taffety and tells her to find Maui and restore it. Moana sets sail, but the journey is not easy. She faces storms, nearly drowns, and struggles with fear. Eventually, she finds Maui stranded on an island. He is arrogant, funny, and at first refuses to help. Maui only wants his magical fish hook back so he can shapeshift again. But Moana convinces him to join her on the mission by reminding him of his heroic deed and appealing to his pride. Together they face adventures. First, they visit the realm of monsters to retrieve Maui's hook from Tamadua, a giant shining crab who loves collecting treasures. After a humorous battle, they escape with the hook. Maui struggles to control his shape-shifting powers again, and he also reveals his backstory. He was abandoned as a baby and wanted to win the love of humans, which is why he stole the heart in the first place. After that, Moana and Maui grow closer as a team. She learns wayfinding, the ancient art of navigation guided by the stars and the ocean itself. But when they finally confront Tekka, the lava monster, their first attempt fails. Maui hook is badly damaged and he feels useless without it. He abandons Moana, leaving her heartbroken and alone. In despair, Moana begs the ocean to take back the heart, feeling she isn't chosen for this mission. But in a moving moment, the spirit of her grandmother appears and reminds her who she truly is, Moana of Motunui, the one who loves the sea and her people. Inspired, Moana regains her courage, takes back the heart, and sails to face Tekka again. This time Moana realizes the truth. Tekka is actually Taffety. When Maui stole the heart, Taffety lost her power and transformed into a vengeful lava monster. Instead of fighting, Moana bravely parts the ocean and approaches Tekka with compassion, returning the heart. At last, the Tekka transforms back into the beautiful goddess Taffety. Life returns to the island and the curse is lifted. Taffety forgives Maui and even restores his fish hook. Maui apologizes sincerely to Moana for his mistakes. Moana then returns to home not as just a chief's daughter but as a true leader. She shows her people how to sail again, reviving their voyaging tradition and fulfills her destiny as both a wayfinder and a protector of her island. The message of this movie is Moana teaches us about courage, self discovery, and listening to the voice inside us. It's not about becoming someone else, it's about realizing who you already are. If you like this explanation, do like, share, and subscribe for more movies explanation. Thank you.